Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Gita Perwitasari. I'd like to present our article that ends with the title is Registration of Electronic Integrated Mortgage Right of the Written Certificate of the Land Rights in the Name of Debtor. For the introduction, bank has two important roles in economic business life. The first role is funding raising institution, which is collect funds owned by the community and the deposit in the bank in the form of saving or products owned by the other bank. And the second role is the institution cancelling fund, namely cancelling fund belonging to the community or the bank capital to those who need funds or capital in the form of credit. One of the most important principle in lending is collateral, which is an element that serves to minimize the risk canceling credit because the collateral is a matter of providing a sense of security for the creditors if the debtor cannot pay the credit installment to the creditor following what he was promised. The Ministry of Agrarian in Indonesia has issued Ministry of Agrarian Regulation and the Special Planning Head of the National Land Agency, number 9 of 2019, regarding the electronic integrated mortgage rights services since enacted on June 21, 2009. Therefore, the issuance of the new regulation within the Ministry of the Agrarian Affairs as a breakthrough utilizing the development of the existing technology at this time is expected to accommodate the interests and needs of the community concerning service by the registration electronic mortgage right. The problem in article is how is HT electronic registration of the land right certificate not written in the debtor name. Our research method in this article, this research used normative method. This research seeks to study and explore and find answer about the should exist in each problem. The approach used is the status approach and conceptual approach. Result of and discussion about this article at the moment, the registration of mortgage rights with the name of debtor different from the name list in the certificate which is guaranteed. The APHT, or we call it Akta Pembebanan Hak Tanggungan, that will be registered cannot be registered online or online system, but must be registered manually. Re-registration at the local land office. Following the ideas of the birth of the Ministry Registration of Agrarian, so that the mortgage service procedure can be integrated electronically so that it becomes more effective and efficient. That not only collateral objects written on behalf of debtor can be registered, but also not written on behalf of debtor. Our conclusion in our article based on discussion above, it can be concluded about the Ministry Agrarian regulation should be able to differentiate between the debtor and the dependents. As in the case with the HT Act, or we call it Undang-Undang Hak Tanggungan. In APHT, which has an accessory agreement or accessory nature, there are two parties, namely the creditor, who after granting of the mortgage will be called the mortgage right, and the guarantor is the debtor himself or the third party. So they will be called the debtor, which is give the mortgage right, or the third party give the mortgage right. Our recommendation is for the HT electronic registration to be carried out properly for all collateral objects in Indonesia. Change must be made to agrarian regulation in number 9 2009 with the regulation of the Ministry of Agrarian Affairs and Spatial Planning, particularly in Article number 9, paragraph 5, which state that requirements in the form of the land right certificate or the ownership right in the flat must be in the name of drafter. 2. Requirement in the form of the land right certificate land or the ownership right in the flats must be in the name of the giver of the mortgage. Thank you. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention, and we welcome you to give us our question or the critics about our article. Thank you. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.